We have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best-rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that can rip through materials you commonly use. Along with the features you expect from DEWALT, like an accurate rack and pinion fence with a full 24-inch rip capacity. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done, and a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20-volt max tools. All part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created. FLEXVOLT, power of corded, freedom of cordless, built, guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.